Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Thunkable app to a data source. First, understand that Thunkable allows integration with several external data providers. This capability significantly expands your app's power, enabling dynamic content and personalized user experiences. We will cover the essential steps, from selecting the right data source for your project to configuring it, and finally linking it seamlessly within your Thunkable application. This will empower your app with robust data management. Selecting the right data source is a crucial first step for your Thunkable app. Google Sheets is excellent for straightforward, tabular data, offering easy setup. Airtable provides a more structured, database-like experience, ideal for managing complex relationships. For real-time updates and scalable backend services, Firebase is an incredibly powerful option. Think about your app's specific requirements and how much data you anticipate managing to make the best decision. Once you've chosen your data source, the next step is proper configuration. For Google Sheets, ensure the sheet is shared correctly so Thunkable can access it. With Airtable, you'll set up your base, tables, and fields to structure your data effectively. If using Firebase, you'll need to create a project and configure its database rules for security. Always remember to secure any API keys or credentials you generate. The final step is to link your configured data source directly within your Thunkable app. Go to the Data Sources tab in your project, then select Add Data Source. Choose the service you've prepared, like Google Sheets or Firebase, and input the necessary credentials, such as your API key or sheet URL. After connecting, you can use various Thunkable components, like data viewers, to display and interact with your live data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.